My name is Sirimewo Bobby, MC R1B. We don't prepare for this interview for like a while right now. I don't announce and give us say the latest VT of the Big Brother Naija. Not lose guard season, don't mad for the studio already. We get Tjay, we get Handi, and we get the finest Shaun in the building. Smooth man, gentleman. So we'll get to talk about our time for inside the house, maybe relieve some of the memory, clear some of the assumptions, allegation, and the rest, hopefully, for this interview. First of all, we are going to start from the beautiful lady. Okay. My petrol general question to all of you right now. Okay. Shaun, Tjay, and Handi. How it be for now, knowing fully well say now be the last set to come up before the show even wrap up and the winner emerge. How it be? It come as a surprise. So now they evicted. Una be get the mind say, guy won't be. As soon as I reach like this, I must reach until on Sunday. Can't be like say una journey they cut short. Make I can start from the beautiful Handi. How you talk to me?
Okay, me, I was already preparing for the was getting evicted. So when it came, I wasn't shocked. But was I expecting to get to the finals? Yes, I was. But I got evicted. But it was okay. I have my peace with it. Getting evicted.
What did give you that confidence? Say for make and reach the final?
Yeah, I don't know. I just felt like I was giving a lot of good vibes. Wani and I together, and people wanted to see me on the show. Even when I got to, everybody was like, "I was shocked to go evicted because we're going to be there to finals." So. Yeah.
But you become the house since I don't deal with you already. Before I move to Tjay Handi, you become the house. Can't look for serious relationship with that mindset.
No, I never came to the house looking for any relationship or anything like that. I wanted to be a floater and just enjoy myself,
So you achieved the enjoyment
in a different way. It wasn't how I intended it to be, but
so this different way now. How you take really?
It was more like it genuinely happened. So I allowed myself to just genuinely feel how it felt. If it wasn't genuine, I would have not been interested in building anything with the person. So that's just kind of how it went, but it wasn't my plan at all.
I thought to can't look for serious relationship. That means you just let the flow.
I'm not really a serious guy like that, so it wasn't my intention to.
Well, before you entered the house, you not be serious person.
Not in relationship wise, I wasn't really looking for that.
But you did street.
Yeah, the streets are seeing me.
Anyway, so one of those concerns that the confidant when you begin inside the house say, "Oh boy, you and your pen, and you the kind of follow body, now you get the fan base with this and that." Now when you don't follow that mindset never change.
So it was never like, I have the fan base and she didn't have the fan base. It was in terms of the house dynamic, because at the beginning it was the custodian, so the house could evict you or send you home. So I knew that I had most of the people liking me because she was in a show. They didn't really know her. So I just knew that, cool. In terms of the house dynamic, people liked me more because they were actually having conversations with me. No one really spoke to her because she was quiet at the time. I already knew they could have still liked her more because she was attractive or whatever. On the outside, I didn't really know what was going on. So it wasn't more like I had a bigger fan base or she had a bigger fan base. It was just the dynamics in the house.
Okay, but now when you don't come outside, now that particular dynamics don't change as you see the doings.
I mean, work will be. I don't know. We'll see the work in the long run. Innit? Do you know what I mean?
In it. I don't hear any tired today. Anyway, so moving back to Tjay, I will come the beautiful lady Handi very soon. Yeah. First of all, a good news come outside while you're inside the house. You don't join my committee. First of all, I'm the father of twins.
Nice.
Yeah, at least we don't try. We don't pay school fees for like 5 years. When you say WhatsApp group. Okay, so first of all, congratulations on top of the arrival of your twins. You don't be talk to your wife since you both are like get proper conversation, see her, see the children and the rest.
You mean since I come out?
Yes.
Now the first person where I follow talk when I come out. Yeah. So. To be fair, because my wife now very strict woman, so
I see why you position yourself for this house.
Yeah, she don't roll like that. So yeah, funny enough, she was very proud of me. So I was actually surprised because I know how she is. But she was like, people are even telling her that she should allow me flex more now.
Serious?
I say, you sure you go allow me? So I mean, it's been all wonderful from her end. She's happy for me. This is something I sort of always wanted to do. So and. Being that she was pregnant, it wasn't the right time. But she was like, okay, I think it's the right. I would rather you go when the babies are not here than go after they're here. So she was like, go do your thing, don't worry, we will get sorted. But she had a lot of support around her. She get her friends. Thankfully, finances were in the issue, so she not really too. Although the presence was felt, but the impact wasn't felt.
Yeah, because I noticed some people. How you go know? Say you go, you might get belly, see get metal people. What are you looking for there? So finding out, saying I will she encourage you. Say this is not your dream. Go and do it. It better say you go now. Why the children never come? Then you can't go later.
But my work they wait for me. No worry.
No, you work and double. So congratulations once more. Majority of the fans of Big Brother get this feeling. Say you always correct with your prediction. You carry Ogume enter the house and be waiting. So how that your prediction today come of who and who to go?
Funny enough, this eviction I predict these three of us.
Yeah.
I don't know honestly.
What are the factors you consider? Say, Handi, Shaun, or any other person who don't go before they always.
So for example, there's a pattern maybe I notice. Say if your duo come out, most likely now you will come out next. So and then based on how the game just be this season, that duo thing sort of made it predicted. And the custodian thing as well. So if you don't vex custodian now, say you they go house. So that sort of it put the house into a sort of dynamic where there was a bit of predictability. And then from the people who first come out, you go sort of know your strengths. So after being come out, I was thinking probably I'll be next. So because for everybody mind they watch the show, you still there with your duo kind of. So it gave you the sort of an idea of your popularity outside the house. Obviously, some people are popular inside the house, and outside the house as well. But now just waiting now based on the custodian thing, friendships, who then go evict, and then how things just they go on really.
Okay. Then again, you how you would rate your friendship with Kelly Ray and also the one with Umbadiwe twins, because you almost be like everybody for that house, you respect those guys. Maybe because now they familiar with the name, say they get road for Lagos and they come from the wedding family. I don't know if that's the case, but how you would read that?
So the second week I sort of had a little clash with both of them, with Kelly Ray. But I mean, as time went on, I got to know who the guy be. So I feel say the guy is a very smart guy. I think his birthday is this Sunday. So Kelly Ray na correct guy actually, and now one of the smartest guys in the house. He's one of the best strategists in that house. Now stand-up guy as well, and then we sort of have similar values. He respects women a lot. We are very homely guys. We like cooking. We like grilling. We sabi as we take ourselves around women. So that was what drew me to the guy. Be that. So in terms of Kelly Ray, I really like the guy. If not for my friendship with Anita, I would have maybe supported him to win. With Umbadiwe twins, so initially I had my reservations, obviously, but I thought we were closer to a few people, but as we grew on in the game, we became brothers. So Uzi especially and I are best of friends now. I can't wait to see him again.
So that's to say, even after the house right now, that friendship and energy continues.
I know how he feels about me. We don't get some kind of deep conversations. We know what we want to do. We both want to. We get mind say we want impact on our generation. We want to do things where Nigeria go they proud of. Say these guys, they are true Nigerians. So the way we think alike in that regard, and we be guys where we say we want to make our society better.
Okay.
So now waiting we want to do with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, enough of the guys. More here feminine voice right now. The beautiful Handi in the building.
Yes,
so first of all, your vision come as a shock to many, because now actually they give basketballs for inside the house actually, and anybody when gives basketballs, people they like them. But some people come the day of the opinion say it be like say na strategy one approach, say okay, you know what, don't vote for me to save me, vote for my sister to remain in the house, because if my sister win, me too win, even though say I dey outside. Was that the case, or what really happened?
No, that was not the case. So me, when I came out, I was shocked, and then I was hearing some people say they sacrificed you for Wani. I don't know what it was, but if that's the case, I'm okay with it, because if it was,
you sure say you're happy with
very
her?
okay with it. Wani is the love of my life and my best friend, so anything that goes good for her is good for me at the same time. And I'm sure if it was the other way around, that they saved me and removed her, she'll be happy for me as well. So
not speak for her, let her speak for herself. Okay, so if that was the case, you not get problem with her, right?
At all.
Between you and your sis, who you go say it be the calm person and it be the troublemaker?
Different occasion, but generally, Wani na the troublemaker, I be the calm person.
You sure?
I'm a peace of mind.
So now she make you feel say okay. They say okay, leave the troublemaker, bring out the peaceful person.
Cause chaos for girls.
Cause chaos, right? Anyway, so also, what you go think about the relationship between your sister and the gentleman? How you go?
Shaun, I'll touch Chihuahua. Yeah, I like it. Because I have also very, very good friendship with Shaun. So minus Wani and Shaun in a relationship, I really, really hold Shaun to a very high standard. And I like him for Wani, and I like Wani for him. I don't know when they come out.
Did they talk this one because he did?
No, I'm
because
not.
certainly the back and forth, bars goes on.
Of course, now that's human relationship. Fights good day, reconciliation good day. But at the end of the day, it's the love that matters at the end. And I feel like there's love and there's respect from both ends. So
but what you they talk now different from what you talk inside the house, because at the point you can't blame Shaun saying that he gaslight, he cause trouble, he manipulate, be the reason. You've talked plenty things, but right now it's different from what you're saying now.
No, that was the situation when one year the kitchen fight, and I felt like it was kind of rude to her in public. So I was just like talking to her about it and saying, if it gets progressively worse, you should watch it and think about the relationship very well for yourself. So it was not like plenty talk, it was just that about that particular issue about the fight in the kitchen. So that was it.
Nothing more than that.
Nothing more than that. Wani knows, she'll confirm to you when she comes out. It was just about that situation in particular.
So but as a sister, you feel Shaun is good enough for your twin sister?
Yeah.
That year no feeling, not really Shaun. Family member, they don't use boo but let it reason you.
You don't know right now. But yeah, Shaun is a very cool guy.
Okay.
Likes me, Shaun.
Now still talking about you and Shaun, because inside the house, so now through Shaun, the viewers, when we just did, now we get to find out say Shaun talk say you and us get one or two things when I run together. So I don't know. Is it okay to say how was the experience?
How was what experience?
The you and OC type of vibe.
I don't know. I can't talk about.
But was that true? Was that true?
Yeah, it was way, way back in the past.
The past they shape the present and they determine the future.
No, they determine or shape any present.
So anything will happen between you and those teammates don't go.
Very, very fast.
Why?
Because it just happened and we've moved on. He's expecting a baby. He has a fiance, all of that. So I've moved on.
You know all this before the thing happened.
You say?
You been know all these things when you just consider now before the.
No, I knew it when I entered the house. I got to know about his fiance and all of that. But then, even if that was not the case, Kassia and I failed a long time ago.
You don't go. Not like going back.
No going back.
But you not feel kind of say now you go they talk that kind of come outside.
No, it's fine.
Your sister husband, upcoming husband.
No, I know it didn't mean any harm or anything. It was just like having a conversation, so it's cool.
But for you, how you think manage your emotions, because 8 weeks inside the space where they confine, you dey see one particular person every day. The chances to fall in love be like 99%. But how you be for you, apart from just OC and every other guy, how you take manage?
Yeah, everybody was just, I was just cool with everybody. There was no falling in love for me. Everything was just based on friendship and like just friendship vibe. Nothing so serious for me. It's very, very easy for me to stay without thinking about anything sexual or wanting to develop a relationship. So it was just easy for me. Easy breezy.
Now, so you did do before you entered the house?
Yes, now I've been like on that part before I entered the house, so it was kind of very easy for me to stay away from anything sexual or romantic in the house. Yeah.
Okay. We'll get there. Gradually moving. So now I move back to Shaun right now. Shaun, whether you like or not, in as much as you feel not get the majority of the favorite of fans, a lot of people see you as a fresh, fine young guy. You get so the relationship between you and his sister, really deep down your heart, you see and say they move past the big brother Naija has.
Yeah, it's just gonna flow naturally. That's how I kind of when it happened in the beginning.
Okay.
You know, it was just the energy, we connected. It's still just gonna be like that on the outside. We're just gonna take it how it comes. There's no pressure on my side from her. There's no pressure on her side from towards me. So whenever she comes, we'll talk about it, see how it goes, and then if things.
What if she win now? She can't say she not see you as person when reach her level again.
I will be fine with that as well. Like I have no personal issues with that. You know, I'll still be cool with her even if she's not interested in just seeing how it goes and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I know she would feel the same, vice versa.
Then also some people be the day of the opinion say your relationship with the twins, which is one of your girls, say now buy one get one free. I mean, not true. Being what do you take out of that one?
Yeah, I don't think it. Maybe
because that city they always almost day like everywhere. You are the man in the midst of the ladies.
Maybe in terms of the consequences, yes, I probably get double the consequences, but
okay, the enjoyment.
The enjoyment is only one.
Why you they want the consequences? You know what?
I don't want the consequences, but it comes with it.
It comes with it, right?
Twins.
Okay. Now, also, some people be the wonder. You know, say when you hear of identical twins, we don't see cases where people say, "Hey, I don't know when I start to follow the twin sister because I don't feel differentiate." How you take? What be that thing when you always not being this man? No, I want to.
I mean, at the beginning, it was a bit of a struggle because I couldn't tell the difference when I first got in. But when you live with them every single day, you see them. They don't look that.
The behavior.
Yeah, the behavior is a little bit different. The way they sound is different. You know, the body size is even different. The face is different. The
body size different.
Yeah.
So you don't see their body size differently.
I do. It's different. It's not the same size.
Oh, like what and what? What kind of features?
Like Wani is a little bit thicker than Handi.
Okay. I wish anything else. No, I like going there. I just want. I cannot use my foot chest to talk about. You get what I'm asking?
Yeah. Yeah, that is big as well. Yeah.
Okay, it's bigger.
Yeah.
Your own bigger pass this one on.
Yeah.
Okay. So. To be sincere, now somebody actually sent me ask this question. Inside the house, just as I talk, is a confined space, so emotion they flow. You feel say what really happened between you and one now genuine relationship. I mean, I just say since we did inside here, now the only you have to consider at this moment more run things together.
No, it was based on energies really. If we didn't really gel energy wise, I probably would have been like on Yeka and just kind of floating and enjoying myself, you know, with just maybe playing with different people. But it's because the energy was genuine and we connected. That's why I decided to allow myself to just see how it goes.
To see how it goes. And you physically share the same feeling with you. Yeah. So after the house, hopefully we'll see the continuation of the relationship. Because I think only a few Big Brother Naija housemate relationship don't actually, go far after the house. Big shout out to Bamba and Teddy. Who again? Yes, Kassia and Gidoni and who again? Not only those two, the rest that we hear say, hey, he knows I be flush toilet. I kick out of my house. He get body odor and the rest. So hopefully maybe Shaun and Wani go be the next couple.
Yeah, potentially we'll see.
Your eye not be like this one. Your eye not be like we want to settle down.
I'm experiencing the outside now. She's been on the inside.
Inside,
so
until she comes
out.
outside.
She still needs to see how the outside world is.
Before I go decide.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Anyway, back to TJ right now before I move to Handi. First of all, some of the viewers feel say you later can relax after Ebuka be yarn one of those Sundays a vision about the whole tribal stuff. You get how you go take like what really occur? Why you step down? You kind of like you bring your spirit down a little bit. Why? What you go say?
So I feel say the thing go paint me in a light where I no be. Because some people feel misunderstand what's happening. So I feel say na strategy. You understand?
Okay.
So and I feel say nothing dey there. Sure you get now. So now wetin I can't explain to the house be that say not be like say based on hate. So my worry can't be say people go see him in another light. But obviously coming out of the house, and I'm happy say nothing like that. So you go even say most of my friends say for the house and people. So I mean, in fact, I it's something that I didn't feel was bad, but I just they tell Ben, say, it be like saying that this guy's strategy be that. So, but after, of course, he got me down, but then Osi and Ozi called me, say, they sure say me, I probably overthink him.
Think the matter, yeah.
So,
because your spirit he reduced.
So he got me down, but so to be honest, I got up that night and I prayed about it. I tell God, say, God, you see my heart. Say, no be waiting, I did mean be this. And the next day was, I think, the day the news of my twins got to me. So that picked up my spirits again. So I mean, the things where now so God the work. So I don't know, like it was just a sign to me, say no worry, you probably just made an error, and
that was, and not be who you be when it comes to those tribal and ethnicity arrangement.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Your dad day here last time, Ben Ashon, and he talk a lot of things. Ashon Ben talk a lot of things about how we meet and the rest. But you get with I want clear, really.
Yeah.
Because even when he and Cheese are back on, the talk they go here left and right, being a close party of Ben, you feel say in relationship with Chizoba, it did genuine or straightforward. That be because clearly una know say that wasn't the plan at all from the very beginning. So what will be your take?
As you talk, man. So even the day before we enter house, me I even tell Ben, say I go carry wife for you for this house. So when we can't enter, it was very. Ben the talk say no be so. I no go. Say no go. I see him with any girl. But it was now surprising to me, like they carry rice and my noodles go carry. Not once
share your food.
Cook for me, that not one single time.
But they cook for
they cook for Chizoba. So the thing so in my mind I can't look say, and I know Ben that the kind of person will be say they respect woman. So I know say if he go date that close to woman, he go dey serious, he no go they follow the woman play. But what was just confusing me was that the first time where I asked both of them, because first week I don't ask both, I say wetin be your intention. Both of them can't talk say na cruise. So for my mind I can't talk say why you can't they look this serious if na cruise, if I just they play and tell everybody. But along the line, initially I thought it was cruise, but along the line I now started seeing some genuine emotional connection and this thing. So I don't think it's a joke. I think it's actually.
But I don't talk since then when you come outside.
I don't try call him once, pick, but probably would. But I've seen he has messaged me a couple of times and I replied those messages. So I called him last night actually. So we'll have a chat, obviously very soon.
Okay. Anyway, that one day out of the way. Now a quick one because I don't say time not to merge our side again before I move to other people. For you, TJ, how you they plan to you be medical doctor, Abi?
Yes.
Abi be nurse. So how you they plan to manage this your new level of fame right now? Because you get a lot of people who love you. With the way you behave inside the house. You they plan to live one, be one to juggle both the medical profession and this whole new fame level?
Honestly, now still something where I did try, figure out. So initially, my plan for this house now say, fine, I don't reach senior stage for my career, I don't achieve that one. So make I try develop other sides where I never developed for my life. And being in the house, it did bring out some things in me that I thought had died. Like acting, like things like art, being able to do things under pressure. So what I would probably do the coming few years is probably do medicine by the side and develop these things more. So I do plan to give you a lot of attention actually. So it no go easy. I don't expect say it go easy, but nothing good for this life come easy. So I mean, I hope like the people will love me just support me in my next endeavors. So anyhow, I could just probably some acting, a bit of artwork.
Now we get to see voice over it. Your voice sounds so good.
So I'll probably do just a mixture of things of three of those and see how things go from there. Okay.
Now back to Shaun. Shaun, one of those friendships when you develop for the house now, the one with Soj, right?
Yeah.
So what you will say be that qualities when you see for when you say this guy can be my man? You get.
It was from day one, Suja and Tofa, because they were young guys like me in their 20s. They dress well, they're like into fashion, they're like, into similar things I was into. We spoke about girls, sports, things that young
Shaun,
guys speak about.
you say you be young guy, now 28 years old, a bit.
Well, I'm saying my 20s, I'm guessing old.
Yeah, I know you're 20, you're in your late 20s. Shaun, you suppose not the plan marriage. I married at the age of 29. Shaun be young guy, they talk about say be James. I
think maybe because obviously I didn't know their ages when I first started speaking with them, so we just connected on like just the typical things that guys connect to. So they were cool guys, especially you have like that young freshness about them that I kind of related to. So that's how we connected on day one.
Yeah. So you see all those colleagues and say correct guy. Yeah. But you believe say you represented those people well, like doing.
I hope so. I know every Edo person is not like me, but I hope I represent a certain
level, right?
Yeah, I mean.
Okay. Also, you see a lot of things inside the house. I like get your feedback. But first of all, what do you think about OC and Oyinka? They use just Bessie. Now as a cover up, just as a baby.
I think it's hard to tell because it's almost up and down. But I think for the most part, they're friends. Obviously, Ozzy has Madame on the outside, so I know he'll be respectful for the most part. I don't know what's in anybody's personal mind, but I think it's just friendship based on the circumstances at hand. They can't progress anything more because he's got a Madame on the outside. So they're just keeping it friends.
Yeah, they put Bestie till they cover up. Whether anything can do on that Bestie now,
I don't know. I can't say. But
so what you say you see inside the house when it shock you, when you say from your fellow housemates?
When I came out,
yes,
it was a Kelly and Kassia for sure.
You don't believe?
Because even in the house, I was almost defending Kelly, like leave Kelly alone type of thing. Like I didn't believe there was anything there. So when everybody was
find out, say that be.
Yeah, I said, oh man, I felt like a fool.
And it be like, but how come none of you now? Because the people when they do test is there. Oh, they come out and they say, Jesus, they play also. But how come none of you now suspected?
No, there was I think myself and OC suspect. There was a time that I actually joked that Kelly Ray's wife is Kassia.
Okay.
So me, very in all honesty, what I be think from when I day house now say probably then be baby mommy, baby daddy.
Okay.
One day try rekindle their relationship or something like that. But say that they marry. But me, I know I did sure say something.
Something they go on, but not be to the extent of marriage.
Yes. But not be to the. But of course, when I came out, I was like, but I know say when we see come outside here, you know go this surprise.
You know go this surprise.
In the tackle Kelly pass. If I don't, you always talk say Kassia get picking.
You don't conclude
exactly.
Yeah.
Nobody. I don't think anybody know for how say.
That means they play their game well.
Of course, they play Handi.
Even you Handi, you not suspect at any point.
No, I was just taking their word for it. Oh, we're friends. I'm like, okay, if you're saying it, so I'll call you a liar. So let's just go with that.
Go with that flow.
Yeah.
But all of them dinner they shocked. So husband and wife actually do the
very shocked.
And the first time Big Brother and Naija they actually get husband and wife.
Yeah.
But it's crazy. Maybe in the next one, maybe they have the king. Okay, back to Handi right now. I just get some things to clear up.
Okay.
Now there was a particular fight between you and RUTHEE, which people were agreeing that one of the biggest fights. Now it be that. She talked something. And when she come for interview, I was not on, but my colleague be there. She repeats, say she dey stand on wetin she talk about you and your sister. They share the same man, and 2 + 1 make a threesome. Say now, una dey do that one steadily is outside, not beside the house, outside of the house. And she know someone when know you. No, na too they run that kind of thing.
Yeah, she should bring the receipts now. When she bring the receipt, then she come and talk the. No,
I want you address and because apart from say it cause big fights inside the house, here she still the stand up business. Say what she talk remains the truth.
Yeah, if she still want to concoct her lies, I have nothing to address. She can say what she wants to say. I know who I am. I know what I stand on. I'm not going to address whatever she's saying about me and my sister because they're all lies. And like I said, she has to bring receipts.
But then again, they are all adults, really, though.
Yeah.
If you decide to do that thing, why person go to share your news outside?
She's just trying to, in her mind, spoil the reputation or whatnot. So that's why I say she's not a woman's woman. She's a very, very I hold my
No, talk your mind because you talk our own mind, though.
She's that's why she's rude, and I'm Handi, and I'm not going to encourage that. But whatever she says, it's her business. I have nothing to address. I'm Handi, and she's rude. She can keep saying her lies.
Whatever she says, not be just her business. It don't become, because the reason I ask this question now, because I expect you to clear that arrangement. Because a lot of people say, oh, now so that they really do. And don't forget, we live in Lagos. Lagos is a wide place.
Yeah.
You get a lot of things they happen. I don't go club where there was a husband and wife will approach you, how far more day together. So don't be saying they knew really like that. You get.
The thing is that even though I address it or I clarify, people that want to think what they want to think will still think what they want to think and say, oh my gosh, she's lying. Just trying to like look good in public. So people can think whatever they want to think. I know who I am. I don't care.
You don't care.
I don't care at all.
I love that. Anyway, what will be the story behind the meat matter and the one that they drag Kelly Ray and Kassia for? What will really be meat?
That grilling thing is one issue. It wasn't even my issue at all. At all. The only thing was that Kassia was always complaining that when he was giving Shaun 2 meat all the time, and he was like, it's somebody that I care about, and if I want to give him 2 meat, I don't see it as a problem. If you want 2 meat, you can go to the fridge and pick up meat and make for you or Kelly or anybody. It's not only Shaun we give 2 meat. I give Handi 2 meat. I give Nelly 2 meat. OC and the twins, I give them 2 meat sometimes. So it was just like,
but especially they give Shaun 2 meat.
especially Shaun and everything.
This in law, you get benefit. Well, get one, buy one, get one free.
You enjoy life now for people.
You enjoy life. I hope you not go continue to enjoy the life outside of the house. So I beg. Just stay with only one. We just God beg you. Then again, in as much as Big Brother Naija na competition, now also platform to take learn, unlearn, and even relearn. What you say they different about you after you stay for good 8 weeks. In fact, this question will be directed to all of now right now. But may I first start with Handi first. What you will say be that see when you unlearn, when you relearn, when you call.
I think in Big Brother House, I cemented my confidence as a human being, and I grew a lot, getting to find out who I am. First of all, we went inside as a duo, and after the dissolution of the pair, I just felt like I was able to show Handi more on a positive light to the world as in general. So I feel like I grew personally as an individual.
So Big Brother help you boost your confidence.
Yes, to a very large extent.
So if I see why you get me. I say, may everybody go sleep right now.
I don't care what anybody thinks about me. Whatever you think is your business. I'm still Handi.
Oh, Handi.
Yeah.
But for you, TJ, what you go say you learn?
Yeah. So basically, when I entered the house, like my mission was, things that I've not had time to do over the last few years. Try to express them and see how you can go far.
Okay.
So I think I achieved that. But on a personal level, one of my major flaws now say I dey calculate, I dey think a lot. I dey overthink things at times. So
now why Ben say now you be the brain work, now you be the action.
Yeah. So for the house, I met a lot of personalities like obviously Handi, people like OZ, people they to take life serious like that. So they actually, they impact on me on that level. So now one of the things where Madam even noticed said that say I should talk some serious things when I say I just they use and play. Say don't be the guy. Which is a good thing actually. So I think over the last 8 weeks I've learned to be a much light-hearted person in terms of serious situations. So that's one major thing that I'm taking outside the house.
Anyway, before I move to Shaun right now, you talked something earlier on saying, man, when you come the house you see beautiful women.
Yes, very, very beautiful.
Based on say if you enter single, who you for say be the closest spec to your speckers?
So almost spec plenty for the house.
Inside the house,
but I'll say the closest person to my missus would have it's difficult. I would have said the body of Danny plus the personality of I would say Anita.
Then the soul of
and then the skin of Victoria, because that's how my wife looks.
That means you for combining it to make your wife. No problem. Remember with your wife. Hold on. What about you, Shaun? What do you say you unlearn, relearn for inside the house though?
I don't think I learned much. I just think I think the house just highlighted my flaws and my positives.
Okay.
So the things I already knew I needed to work on, it highlighted them. Things I knew that was good about myself, it also highlighted them as well, because I'm quite like a self-aware person, and I kind of analyze myself quite a lot. So it wasn't anything that I knew that I didn't know that I learned, but it just reminded me that the things I need to work on more.
Yeah. So right now, those things right now you got to work on and make some changes.
Yeah, exactly.
For real life. That's cool. That's cool. Would expect those changes right now? You don't ready to say certainly you go do voiceover, you go appear for movies, right? That's what Tjay. Then the medical profession side you still on a strong go. Can I get the bread they come from actually? Have you? Not use and play. You get. But for you, Shaun, what did they mess for you right now?
I definitely like acting. I'm gonna go more into acting.
Nollywood.
Yeah.
Lover boy.
Yeah.
Bad boy. I'm Robert.
And no, I don't know what I'm. She said acting it can be either or whatever character fits.
Yeah.
At the time, but yeah, definitely going into acting and that's like the main things I want to do. And then obviously I'm into fashion and I have a clothing line, so we'll be pushing that as well.
Oh, you get clothing line currently right now, so you go push on more, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You did busy in Lagos?
It was in the UK, but I'm bringing it to
Lagos.
Yeah, making it more international.
So that's to say, most of them are going to relocate back to Lagos.
Yeah, most likely I go the shuttle. Yeah,
I did the money there.
Yeah.
but for you will move this.
I'll probably be more here than the UK.
The UK.
Preferably wherever the cash is as well.
Now there you go. Handi, what about you? Where we'll get to see you next right now?
Definitely Nigeria, of course. Then when it comes out, definitely planning our African tour next year. So between Nigeria and doing our DJ work.
Right.
Time, yeah.
Okay. So, but you will see they do the DJ work, Sha.
Of course. X and the Energy Queens on ground. Operation.
That means you can't play for one of my shows.
Of course.
I don't get money. Anyway, so right now, out of the house right now, the last 2 weeks that I remember for the Big Brother Naija, deep down my heart, Una believe say go emerge as a winner of this season 9.
Wani, please keep voting for Wani. Wani, all the way.
Okay. No, TJ, before you talk about me, Shaun talk. Now I know whether it differs. Deep down your heart to leave relationship aside.
I think today I feel differently. I think I want either Wani or Victoria to win.
Wani or Victoria to win. They ask somebody join your sister. You know they blink eye.
Is that
okay?
Yeah, Victoria was his partner now, so he has to look for his partner. So fair.
No, that means partner supersede love or relationship. Everybody doesn't have the same thing. But TJ, who you believe say go come outside?
I think Kelly Ray go win this thing because now he played the best game. He will talk true. And then played the best game.
Best game, yeah.
So yeah, I feel I have to.
With what you also see aside, though, because I believe say you don't get feedback. Say, see behind the crowd there.
I just took my first 3.
Yes.
I'll say Kelly Ray, Wani, and maybe Nelly.
Kelly Ray, Wani, then maybe Nelly.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I can't really predict that third one, but first 2, but most likely Kelly Ray and Wani.
Kelly Ray, okay. Anyway, thank you very much. I wish we just continue this conversation right now.
Thank you so much.
So thank you, Shaun. Thank you, Handi. Thank you, TJ. I wish you now more success on top of this video. Hopefully we'll communicate as time goes.
Of course. Thank you.
Still Naija 102.7. What's even our favorite music right now? I'm going to sign out. Which music you really love?